Welcome to 2023. Guys, 2022 was a crazy year, a year full of declines in both the stock market and the cryptocurrency market, and this looming recession that is out there could lead to one of the best opportunities ever in investing. Both in stocks and in crypto, the opportunities are abundant, and with 2023 beginning, you may be wondering if now is the time to get started. And of course, the answer is always yes on that. It is never too early to begin investing, whether you're looking at stocks, whether you're looking at crypto. But you need to go over three things. You need to know where and how you can invest. You need to know what you can invest in, and you need to know how much you should be investing. And we're going to be going over some of those topics in this video in more of a beginner's type of a viewpoint. So if you guys are already seasoned experts, if you've been losing money throughout 2022 and setting up for the preceding bull markets that will be arriving here hopefully soon, then maybe you already know a lot of this stuff. It could be a refresher, absolutely. But we're going to take this from a very basic standpoint for anybody out there that is looking to get into stocks and into crypto at the beginning of 2023 here to put themselves on the absolute right path. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022... What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We're here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least six free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. If you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges, where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all of that good stuff, you've got KuCoin and Binance down there. KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But just please be careful with these centralized exchanges right now. None of them are guaranteed, and it might be a good place to buy and sell, but it may not be a good place to hold. So guys, let's just jump right into this. And first and foremost, if you guys are already investing, you know the answers to these already. But you need to find a broker, either a cryptocurrency exchange, a crypto broker, or a stock broker in order to buy and invest in both stocks and crypto. Now, some of these brokers, they use both. So you can invest in both cryptocurrency and in stocks. And one of my favorite brokers is Webull. I do have a link down in the description for Webull if you guys would like using that affiliate link down there. It does get you free stocks, and it also gets you free cryptocurrency if you're into cryptocurrency trading. So aside from Webull, you can go through. If you don't want to use that one, there are plenty of brokers out there. A lot of people have had trouble with places like Robinhood over the last couple of years with taking the buy and sell buttons away on some of these major opportunities like GameStop and AMC stock and things like that. But you need to find a broker that you trust. Now, a lot of the brokers, they are very trustworthy, right? They're going to execute your trades the moment you click the button. But if you would like to do a little bit more research, and maybe we can get into some of the comparisons between these brokers, but you've got places like Ally and Fidelity and TD Ameritrade, Webull, Robinhood, just to name a couple of the brokers that are out there. I use Webull myself. I prefer it. The interface is great, but absolutely the decision is up to you. So once you sign up for your broker, you basically create your account and you go through and make a deposit. Now, we'll talk about a little bit more about the deposit here in a second and how much money you should consider investing, but you don't need thousands of dollars to get started, especially if you're younger. Time is on your side. And what that means is that the more and more time that goes on and the more time you have to invest, the more your investment, stocks, crypto, and so on, can grow and compound. And of course, we could do some videos. I'm sure you guys have seen the numbers before, but the more time and the more compounding that you are able to receive on your investment, the absolute greater opportunity for growth you have as the stock market and the cryptocurrency market continue to grow. So after you figure out which broker you want to use, you need to figure out how much money you need to invest. And this is going to be dependent on a variety of reasons that we can break down further in some future videos here. But one thing that I always tell people to consider, because they love asking the question, is this enough? Should I buy more? Should I buy less? Should I buy? Should I sell? All of these questions. Here's one thing you need to remember. Whatever you are comfortable with is the appropriate amount. Now, if you have a lot of money to begin with, of course, investing a lot of money may be a lot easier for you. If you do not, and you are just now getting started into investing, one of the things you're going to notice is your risk tolerance. Not only the types of stocks and cryptocurrency that you invest in, but the amount of money you invest in as well. So if you find yourself waking up at 4 o'clock in the morning as pre-market trading begins, and you're wondering, oh, is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? I can't sleep because I've got too much money invested. I don't want to lose this money. This is terrible. Well, you've probably invested too much. So investing, you can look at it one of two ways. Trading is a very active strategy, and it is much more stressful. You need to be tuned in. You need to be honed in on those investments, and you need to be paying attention, and it's very active. Investing can be very passive. It is something that you're going to be in for a very long time. And whether you're investing in cryptocurrency or you're investing in stocks, it is something that you want to be passive in your life. And one of the best ways to do that is by investing sums that you are not going to worry about. Over the long term, it is proven that there are 7 to 12% gains in the stock market, and the cryptocurrency market being much younger and much more, I guess, well, risky is a word that you can use, but reward. You've always got that risk to reward ratio right there. There's much more reward and, of course, much more risk in the cryptocurrency market, so the gains are even greater over there. And they are proven year in and year out that if you can stand the test of time, you will make gains. So if you are able to invest and you are able to be here for the long term and you are able to invest an amount that does not stress you out. Now, I know that's a very basic approach to it. Like I said, we can break this down in future videos. But you're really going to reap the rewards of that passive income and that passive capital gains growth. So that's kind of how much money you want to be looking at, something that is not going to concern you, something that is not going to stress you out. They always say never invest more than you're willing to lose, but never invest more than you're willing to lose sleep over is another way to look at that. Because with stop losses and all of these things, you don't have to lose your full investment. Now, finally, investing in figuring out what you're going to buy, what you're going to invest in. Now, of course, you've got stocks, you've got bonds, you've got gold and precious metals, you've got commodities like Forex, and you've got cryptocurrency as well. I spend a lot of time on this channel talking about stocks and cryptocurrency, but absolutely we can get into Forex and precious metals as well if you guys would like to a little bit more. But there's a lot of potential right now in both the stock market and the cryptocurrency market. And we can get into more depth later on. Absolutely, this is a very, very beginning overlook video. But we are facing some massive declines that have taken place over 2022. I don't believe that we are just going to bottom out on the first day of 2023 and move higher from here. But getting into, with that long-term mentality, the stock market and the cryptocurrency market, those long-term gains and that long-term potential is absolutely incredible, because where you would be starting from right now, if you were to buy stocks, and these stocks are beaten down 50, 60, 70% in price over the course of 2022, you could expect, just when the market rebounds, to double, triple, quadruple your money. If you were thinking about getting into cryptocurrency, after all of the price declines that we have seen in 2022, if you were going to be investing in cryptocurrency in 2023, even if we just reach those all-time highs again, when the market rebounds, you are looking at 5, 10, 20xing your money. So as you can see, the risk to reward ratio is great right now because of where you would get started from. Now, if you are continuing to invest and you're using this as a little bit of a refresher on things to look for as you're moving forward, this is an opportunity. It is not a problem that we are being presented with. The future has always produced gains, and that's the direction that we must continue to look. We must continue to look towards the future, and we must continue to think, okay, as it unfolds and as the gains grow, I will be here to take advantage of it. So guys, I absolutely hope this kind of sparks not your imagination, but your thinking a little bit to understand some things that you may need to look forward to if you are just getting started investing. Please, by all means, we post every single day on here. If you guys have not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And the best thing that you can do, ask questions in the comments, especially if you are brand new. I would love to either create more content, answer those comments, and just see where everybody is at in their investing journey. So make sure to hit those comments down there, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull. You got KuCoin and Binance and a free Discord. Now, until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.